Hey everyone, and welcome back to our cooking show. This is the second cooking show on the OK4WD YouTube channel. Today we are going to be cooking with Square Cookware. This is a new product that we just got in from South Africa, and we're really excited to show you guys. There's a bunch of cool features about the Square Cookware that makes it perfect for overlanding, and we're going to show you all those today. We're going to be making some nachos. We took some inspiration from this Fire to Fork cookbook that we have for sale on our website, and we're going to take you guys along for the ride. The Square Cookware is really cool. Obviously, it's in the name, it's square, it's not round, and there's a bunch of reasons why that is. The first thing is it stacks very nicely. You're actually not going to lose any space with it being square as opposed to round. It actually is the same exact size as your traditional circle cookware. It just takes up less space when it's being stored, and this is why. So under the stainless steel tops, you can see that you have a handle that latches onto the side, and inside there's a second pot. It also has silicone pads for you to put down after you're done cooking. So you just put this on the table and it'll keep it from sliding. These are non-stick, very nice pans. The really cool thing about these is that they work on induction stoves, with gas stoves, and over fire. So you could literally take this from one cooking source to the next, and that's what we're gonna do today. We're gonna start on the induction stove in the van, and we're gonna finish off on the partner steel stove out here, and we're gonna be making some classic bar nachos. So let's get started. We're gonna grab the large pot, we're gonna go in the van, get the induction stove going, and get the meat cooking, and start making these nachos. So here we are, we're in Jim's van, and you can see here we have the induction stove. So what we're gonna do is we're actually gonna use the small pot that is inside the large square pot. So we're gonna use this guy to cook the meat inside the van, and then we're gonna use the large one. We're gonna put the nachos down and put all the meat and the cheese and all the toppings in here, and we're gonna cook that outside and finish it out there. All right, so we just got the Square Cookware full of our beef, and we're gonna start cooking down the meat. So we just added just over a pound of meat into the Square Cookware. It fits the same amount of food as a small regular round pan. It's just a different shape to make it easier to store. So now we have the large Square Cookware pan, and we're gonna put this on the partner steel stove. And again, one of the cool benefits of the Square Cookware is in between each pot when you store it, you get a silicone anti-slip pad. So we're gonna put that down there. We're gonna get the partner steel opened. If you guys haven't checked out the partner steel stoves yet, they are super nice. Bare bone stove, and it just does exactly what you want it to. There's no frills. All you do is add propane and start cooking. All right, time to take the meat to the next level. We're gonna add our taco seasoning. We went with the spicy seasoning, so we're just gonna add the entire thing. I'm gonna actually lower the heat a little bit, take the handle off, and put the top on, and just let this cook down for a little while. So we're gonna go layer the chips in and get them ready. And so while the meat is simmering in there, we're gonna get the large pot set up with a pile of chips. We're gonna throw all the cheese on there, lettuce, everything's gonna go in here, and then we're gonna let this melt down. So we're gonna get the partner steel going. I'm gonna throw some chips in there right now. Base layer of chips, then we're gonna do some meat, then we're gonna do some cheese, then another layer of chips, and then meat and cheese again. So it's gonna be like taco lasagna. All right, the meat is definitely ready to go, so we're gonna turn this guy off and bring this outside. So the meat is done, now we start building out our lasagna. So we're gonna get the lid on, we're gonna get the partner steel stove lit, and we let all the cheese melt, and then we're good to go. If you're looking for some cooking inspiration, check out our Fire to Fork cookbook on our website. So yeah, I'm gonna clean all this stuff up and get ready for some nachos. You can just see how easily that cleans just with the wipe of a paper towel. All right, let's see how we're looking. Oh yeah, look at that. So that's 2 layers of nachos, meat, jalapeno peppers. So we're gonna get this guy on, the partner steel off, and we're gonna let this cool down for a second because it's probably flaming hot, and then we're gonna give it a try. So now we're gonna add our guac to this, our lettuce and our cilantro, and then we are done. Oh. All right, so there you have it. That is a double layer nacho platter made with the Square Cookware, started on the induction stove and then finished on the partner steel stove. So if you like the Square Cookware, head to our website and grab yours today. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. If you could like this video, that helps out us a bunch, and we'll see you on the next one.